For 2018, Tacoma features Toyota Safety Sense P, or TSSP for short. Now standard across the entire lineup, these amazing driver assistant features include pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, automatic high beams, and dynamic radar cruise control, which, when activated at highway speeds, is designed to make long highway drives easier and less tiring by maintaining a distance with the vehicle ahead. The TSSP suite joins Tacoma's already existing safety features like 8 airbags and Toyota's signature Star Safety System, a standard suite of 6 brake-related systems designed to help drivers maintain control and avoid collisions in certain situations. In addition to these standard features, Tacoma also offers several noteworthy optional safety features like intelligent clearance sonar and blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert system,